What is going on, Ben Nation? The merch contest is over. So we're looking at who had the best design. Do you think it was you? I don't know if it was or not. We're going to find out very soon. Now, if you're wondering why it hasn't been announced right now, I guess it's because Ben is out here saving the world. I think he's got a superhero cape on, and he's in Washington, D.C., I want to say right now, getting the Bitcoin ETF approved. A few moments ago, Gary Gensler even put out an email or a Twitter post that said, could somebody please come get Ben Armstrong? Fine, I'll approve the Bitcoin ETF. So congratulations to everybody. Ben Armstrong got the Bitcoin ETF approved. I'm just kidding, obviously, but if you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, the bell to be notified of future content, and leave a comment down below to help trend this video. We're going to look at the price action. We're going to look at what Ben's been doing on social media, and we're going to see what the best design is. I don't know what the best design is yet. I do have some Believe in Ben content that's going to be coming out very shortly. There'll be some, trust me, you're going to like the design. You're going to like the way you look. I guarantee it. Or something like that. I read that somewhere. But listen, let's look at the price action. Let's see where we are. And then let's see what this whole thing looks like. All right, so we've got the price action on the chart, as you can see right here. Now, the lines, just for your, this is long-term kind of resistance. We broke out of it, had a little move to the upside on here, which you can see. I'll kind of zoom in here so you get an idea. The reason I was zoomed out is because I wanted you to look at a little bit of the longer time frame. But we've had a bounce down here. I want to say we're probably going to be touching at around 68 right here. Not a lot of volume to get there, but maybe 68. I think that's the logical point. If it breaks down below that, then we could be testing 66.60 again. But long term, I think we've got an enormous upside. We did have a breakout, so I want to say that we're probably going to see another part of the breakout. Now, one of the things that's been kind of weighing down, if you will, for just a little bit, is because everybody's been on vacation. Everybody's waiting for some kind of news, some kind of update, something that's going to change the dynamic of what we're doing. So what I will say is that today we should start to see something happen. We'll start to see some information. You got Ben going live. We'll get some updates, and we'll know exactly what's happening. But generally speaking, I would think that we're going to bounce here, come back up, probably ding, 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 bounce off of this, and then boom, we're back in this 7,400 line right here. Now, I'd like to see it get up into this range, but I'm not sure that that's where we go yet. The big thing right here is to get to this 82. Now, 82 represents the 0.786 fib retracement line. I'm pulling that up over here for you. So from here, it was going to be an easy pass, but the market kind of dipped, and we got a little FUD, little pre-game jitters, if you will, on the Bitcoin ETF. A drop down here, which means that this probably becomes the spot where we do a little test. So we'll do our test, and then maybe we'll reverse back up to the 618. That's 7402, by the way, at the 0.5 level is my new target for the moment. Now, if we get there, that of course changes the dynamic of everything forward. Now, in the Ben Armstrong realm, you've got I don't celebrate wins by relaxing. Once I get the Bitcoin ETF approved this week, my next step will be the Ethereum ETF approval. All this can be done by middle of quarter two, if not end of quarter one. So much work to do. Today, I'm going to attempt something that to this date, no one has been able to do. From the Winklevoss twins to Cathie Wood to BlackRock, no one has been able to get a Bitcoin ETF approved. Today, I'm heading to DC to push this thing over the finish line. Today, live at 12 p.m., which is going on right about now while I'm filming. I wouldn't be filming right now, except when I filmed earlier, my microphone was on mute. So good times. Anyway, this is a follow-up to it. Now, that really just means that I think we're in good shape. Ben is working on whatever he's working on in Washington, D.C. We'll find out what that is very shortly, but I assume it's going to be something pretty cool. Now, finally, the merch design contest is over. We had a number of winners. We've gone over some of the winners. I do like, by the way, this design looks really nice here. A little complicated to use. I think it says a little bit more about overall design. Really cool, but I'm not sure if that's something that's going to be reprintable, so to speak. So it's going to be a lot of different items. You guys can see it right here. There's just plenty of really cool stuff here that people are doing. So impressed by some of these designs here. I mean, I will say that I am the most impressed by that design right here. I think that's the one. I'd love to have a hoodie with that on it. So that would, if I were voting, and I'm not voting by the way, but if I were voting, I think that might be the one that I would be going with. So that's it for right now, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure again that you hit the like button, subscribe, and then leave a comment down below letting me know that you're part of the Ben Army. And then we will talk to you again very, very soon. Don't forget, today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be on an AMA for BenCoin, and we'll talk to you then.